What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Tyler Goes Fishing. I'm Tyler. Today we're going fishing. It's a really nice day out, mid 60s. Just got one light jacket on and cool breeze, feels pretty good. Guys, we are this close to the shad season. I tried a few days ago, had no luck, but some people in my area have had some luck. So be prepared for the next month to be filled with shad videos. But for now, I'm going for bass, pickerel, and bowfin. Gonna try this spot. Looks like the water's a little high. Looks like it's a foot higher than it normally is, but water's still pretty clear. It's not stained or anything, so I'm gonna go for it. So thanks for coming along. All right, we're gonna start off with one of my favorite types of baits. Just got a little ball jig with half of a stick bait on it. This one's chartreuse. We're gonna see if I can catch something with it. Slow and steady, slow and steady. Using my Mitchell Tanager medium pole, 8-pound mono on it. Love using this setup for like Ned rigs or small jigs or wacky rigs. Anything finesse like. I know you guys can't see it, but it's got great action. It's long enough to where this tail is really wiggly, and when I do the small little jerk action, it'll looks real good. Oh, fish. Oh, no, no, no. Did y'all see that? I think that was a pickerel. Oh, man, he was right over there. Oh, right there. He came back for it. He came back for it. Y'all see that? I got a buzzbait on. The very next cast, he came back for it. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, my God, dude. Oh, dude. All right, I tried going back in with the little jig here. Oh, man. Oh my God, there's a giant fish in front of me. I think it's a bowfin. It's right in front of me. He ate it, he ate it. Oh my God, he's too big, he's too big. He's too big for me. Oh my gosh, dude, this is gonna be a oh, this is gonna suck. This is gonna suck. This is gonna suck. Oh. Luckily there's not like a lot of snags around, so I'm just gonna wait for him to tire out a little bit. It's an 8-pound test line, and he's got teeth. I gotta be careful. God, look at him, look at him, look at him. I don't have a net. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Chill, bro, chill, bro. He's taking off, he's taking off. Come back this way. Chill, 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 chill. Chill, 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 chill. It's a good one. That's a good bowfin. Oh, I almost slipped in. Come on, you SOB. No, 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 no. He jumped out of the water. You see that? Come back. Come back. Come back over here. No, no, no. Chill, 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 chill. Got the clamp on him. Got him up. Oh, frick yeah, dude. Got him. Look at this. That could be a PB. Could be. It's close. How are you, secondary camera? You a little crooked? There you go. If I catch nothing else, this is worth it. Let's see here. Oh, that came out so easy. It came out so easy. I know I have a scale with me. Oh, dudes. 5.57. 5.57. That is my personal best bowfin. Probably because of that belly. Look at that belly. These things are fantastic to catch. They are fun. You can see the struggle it took to catch this one. I didn't think I'd catch anything close to 5 pounds today. Woo! All right, one more look. We're gonna let this guy go. Oh, fantastic. Don't slip in. Are you ready to go, buddy? See if we can get some. Let you go here. Oh, off. Oh, bros. Has the biggest fish all year. Granted, the year's only 2 months in, but after bluegill after bluegill after bluegill for the past 2 or 3 months, to catch something worth a damn is awesome. Not to mention my personal best now. I feel great. I feel great. Yeah, so I was for a while I was doing another top water, throwing it around. Then I switched back to the little jig with the let me just show you. I went back to the little jig with the half the stick bait on it, the chartreuse and white. Then all of a sudden I can just see, thankfully I actually did wear my polarized sunglasses today. I see his head just slowly peek up. I'm like, oh my god, that's a bowfin. And so I just bounced this thing right in front of its face and went for it. Yes! This could be the whole video for all I care. Boom, boom, boom. All right, well, the sun is going down. I'm losing daylight. I'm also losing warmth as the temperature is dropping. My fingers are actually decently cold. Guys, I thought today was gonna be a bust, but holy crap, did I end up having an amazing time out here. Ended up with a new PB 5.57 pound bowfin. I'm pretty sure my previous PB was 4 1/4 to 4 1/2, something like that. I'll have to go back and check some of my footage. But how lucky was I for him just to swim straight up to where I was standing. But that's fishing for you. Sometimes you just get lucky, right? So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and sub button if you would. And I'll see you all in the next fishing adventure. Peace out.